DJI has long been a pioneer in the field of innovative filming technology. DJI OSMO Pocket 3 promises to take portable video creation to new heights. Coupled with the DJI Mic Creator Combo, this device is specifically tailored for walking video creators who need a compact, reliable, and high-quality solution for on-the-go filming. This review delves into the Pocket 3's features, performance, usability, and overall value, particularly focusing on its application for walking video creators. Design and build quality. The DJI Pocket 3 is designed with portability in mind. It maintains the sleek and compact form factor that has become synonymous with the Pocket series, making it incredibly easy to carry around. Weighing just a few hundred grams, it fits comfortably in the hand and can be easily slipped into a pocket or a small bag. The build quality is robust, with a combination of high-quality plastic and metal components that ensure durability without adding unnecessary weight. The gimbal mechanism is smooth and well-engineered, providing excellent stabilization even during brisk walking. The included DJI Mic Creator Combo integrates seamlessly with the Pocket 3, ensuring that audio quality is as impressive as the video. Camera and gimbal performance. At the heart of the Pocket 3 is a powerful camera capable of capturing 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. The image sensor has been significantly improved over previous models, offering better low-light performance and dynamic range. This is particularly beneficial for walking video creators who often deal with varying lighting conditions. The 3-axis gimbal provides exceptional stabilization, a critical feature for creating smooth and professional-looking walking videos. Even when moving quickly or navigating uneven terrain, the gimbal compensates for shakes and jitters, delivering steady footage. This level of stabilization is a game changer for vloggers and content creators who need to maintain high production quality on the move. One of the standout features of this package is the DJI Mic Creator Combo. Audio quality is often a challenge for walking video creators, with wind noise and ambient sounds potentially ruining an otherwise great video. The DJI Mic addresses these issues with its high-fidelity wireless microphone system. The microphone is compact and easily attachable, with a range of up to 250 meters, allowing creators to capture clear audio, even at a distance. The system includes a windscreen to minimize wind noise, and the audio receiver integrates directly with the Pocket 3, ensuring a seamless recording experience. The sound quality is crisp and clear, making dialogue and ambient sounds come through beautifully. User interface and usability. The Pocket 3 features an intuitive touchscreen interface that makes navigating settings and options straightforward. The menu system is user-friendly, with clear icons and responsive touch controls. This ease of use is crucial for walking video creators who need to make quick adjustments on the fly. Additionally, the Pocket 3 offers a variety of intelligent shooting modes, including Active Track 4.0, which automatically follows a subject, and time-lapse and motion-lapse modes for creative time-based effects. These features expand the creative possibilities for users, allowing them to capture dynamic and engaging content with minimal effort. Battery life and connectivity. Battery life is another strong point for the DJI Pocket 3. It offers up to 140 minutes of continuous recording time on a single charge, which is more than sufficient for most walking video sessions. The device also supports fast charging, allowing creators to quickly recharge and get back to filming. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling easy transfer of footage to a smartphone or other devices. The Pocket 3 is compatible with the DJI Mimo app, which provides additional editing tools and features for enhancing video content. This seamless integration between hardware and software makes the Pocket 3 a versatile tool for video creators. Versatility and additional features. The DJI Pocket 3 isn't just for walking videos. Its versatility extends to a wide range of filming scenarios. It's equally adept at capturing stationary shots, action sequences, and more. The device's small size makes it ideal for travel, and its high-quality output ensures that creators don't have to compromise on video quality. Additional features such as the built-in ND filter support, which helps manage exposure in bright conditions, and the improved microphone array for better ambient sound capture, add to the overall utility of the Pocket 3. These enhancements make it a comprehensive tool for any video creator looking to produce professional-grade content. Enhancing your workflow using the DJI Mimo app, creators can enhance their workflow significantly. The app offers a range of editing tools that allow for quick adjustments and refinements on the go. From trimming clips to applying filters and effects, the Mimo app makes it easy to polish your videos before uploading them. Detailed performance analysis. The DJI Pocket 3 excels in various filming conditions, making it a reliable choice for different scenarios. In low-light environments, the improved sensor performs admirably, reducing noise and maintaining detail. This is particularly useful for evening or indoor walking tours where lighting can be less than ideal. The gimbal's performance is consistent across different terrains. Whether you're walking on a smooth path or navigating through a crowded street, the stabilization ensures your footage remains steady and watchable. The Active Track 4.0 feature is a highlight, as it accurately follows moving subjects, keeping them in focus without manual adjustments. Long-term investment. Considering the durability and advanced features of the DJI Pocket 3, it's a worthy long-term investment for serious content creators. The robust build ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use, and the high-quality components promise longevity. For those looking to elevate their video quality and streamline their production process, the Pocket 3 is an excellent choice. In summary, the DJI Pocket 3 and DJI Mic Creator Combo offer a powerful combination of features that cater specifically to the needs of walking video creators. From exceptional video and audio quality to ease of use and advanced shooting modes, this package provides everything you need to create professional-grade content. Despite the initial investment, the long-term benefits and potential for improved audience engagement make it a valuable addition to any creator's toolkit.
A, możesz palić, a?
Nó nọ nữa. Mielestäni kirjaimet varmaan sille koneella liikkumaan. Niin. Niin, joo.
El topo.